Christmas alphabet. The angels who make up the Christmas list. S is for old Santa who makes every kid his pet. Be good and he'll bring you everything in your Christmas alphabet. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children